Hello, this is Sandy from Country Cooking with Sandy Marie. Today I'm making Huli Huli chicken. So join me in the kitchen and let's get cooking. This is going to be a crock-pot meal. One dish wonder. It's hot outside, but it's not going to make it hot inside when it's time to eat dinner. I am going to take some boneless, skinless chicken breast and put it in slices. I sprayed down my crock pot with nonstick spray and place the chicken inside the crock pot. You can also make this recipe on the grill instead of the crock pot, but today I want to prep this and spend some time outside in the garden and out by the pool. So while this is cooking, it is not heating my house up. I have a half a cup of soy sauce. This is the Marinade. 1 cup of pineapple juice. Half a cup of brown sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of ginger. I'm just using the paste here. Half a cup of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of garlic. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You could also put it on top of the chicken, coat it in the chicken, put it in the crock pot. I chose to put it in the marinade. Just give it a good stir, try to get all the lumps out. Then pour it over your chicken. The recipe doesn't say to add the pineapple to the crock pot, but I think it would add a nice texture and flavor, so I am going to put half a can in. You can cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 4 to 6 hours. I am going to put my chicken over rice and top with green onions. You could grill some pineapple for a nice garnish. This is Sandy from Country Cooking with Sandy Marie. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time when I'm cooking in the kitchen or growing in the garden.